Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says in the Eid al-Fitr prayer, I was along with the Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhum as well. So all of them performed Eid prayer before the sermon, and thereafter the sermon was delivered. Afterwards the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted from the pulpit, and that scene is still swiveling before my eyes when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was making the people sit down with his hand. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu, cleaving the rows, reached the gathering of the women. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Prophet, when Muslim women came to you for taking an oath of allegiance at your hands, that they will not associate anything with Allah, and they will not commit theft, and will not commit adultery, and nor kill their children, and nor will bring calumny forging in between their hands and feet regarding birth. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had recited it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Is it acceptable to you? None save one woman replied, Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hassan bin Muslim states that he does not know who that woman was. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, Give alms, and Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu spread the cloth. So the women started putting their small rings, Give alms, and Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu spread the cloth. So the women started putting their small rings and rings in Hazrat Bilal's garment. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4895.